So this one's gonna be on how to be able to delete all the temporary files on Windows 10, and we're gonna go ahead and look at 3 ways to do this. First thing is, since Windows 10 now has this search box over here, it's much easier to be able to do everything in here. So the first thing I want to do is want to go ahead and locate the temp files. So if you do the if you look at the keyboard and you see the 5, it has what is called the modulus or percentage. If you do shift and then you press on the 5, it's going to go ahead and give you this percentage sign. And then if you type in temp and then you press another percentage, and then it's gonna over here, it's gonna show you a file folder. So just go ahead and click on that. Okay, and in here, as you'll see, you have a bunch of temporary files and folders, so we can go ahead and clear that. So if you do Control A, that'll go ahead and highlight everything, and then if you press delete on the keyboard, it's gonna go ahead and delete everything. So not really sure what that is. I'll go ahead and look into it later on, but we can skip it for now. Everything else is gonna be deleted. If for some reason you couldn't get to it like that, you can always just navigate to it by going to your this PC, local C, and then under users, your name, and then app data, and then under I think it's local, and then TMP. You'll be able to get to it like that. Next thing we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go ahead and type in disk, and this will give us a disk cleanup, so we can go ahead and click on that, and this will also allow us to be able to delete some of the junk files and temporary files that are in there. So we're going to go ahead and click OK, and then after that it's going to give us some options to be able to delete any temporary internet files and so on. We're just going to go ahead and get everything, delete everything, clear everything out of here, just to open up some space on the computer. And that's it. Once you click whatever you want to get rid of, just go ahead and click OK and delete files. And it shouldn't take that long, actually. Okay, so once that's done, we're going to go ahead and go to the last step. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and type in TMP just within regular. We're not going to do the modulus or the percentages anymore. I'm just going to type it in like that. And it's going to give us this delete cookies and temporary files. So let's go ahead and click on that. And basically in here, what you want to do is you're going to go to settings, and as you see, it'll show that it's for the temporary internet files. And basically all you would do is click on view files, and in here, I've already cleared mine out, but more than likely yours should have a bunch of stuff in there. This is just temporary cookies and stored files, so you want to go ahead and get rid of that as well. So just go ahead and empty that out, and that's it. So that's how we're able to clear all the temporary files, and this should open up a little bit more space in your Windows 10. So that's how you're able to clear all that out. So that's it for now. Bye.